thought I had this whole period thing handled. 3 months in, and honestly, I was feeling like a professional. Pad, on, bag, packed, sleepover, ready. What could possibly go wrong? I was going to my cousin's sleepover, and I felt completely secure. I put my pad on properly, or at least I thought I had. We spent the evening jumping on the trampoline, at absolutely nothing, eating snacks and watching movies in our pajamas. At that point, I was basically thinking, look at me, period girl, organised, prepared, thriving. But then morning came. I woke up on my aunt's white guest sheets, and something felt very, very wrong. Wait, I'm wearing a pad, I should be fine. Why does the side of my leg feel wet? Did the pad move? Is it even still there? I did not walk to the bathroom. I sprinted. Quietly, obviously. Because nothing says calm and mature like panic running down the hallway while pretending everything is completely normal. The pad was still there, but it had folded over itself like a sad, tragic little taco. It had not stayed centered, it had not stayed flat, and the blood had just gone right around it. I did everything right. I put it on. Why did it betray me? Now I have to tell my aunt about the white sheets. I am never sleeping over anywhere ever again.
Hold on. This is your C.O. hair. Take a breath. First of all, sheets can be washed. Your aunt loves you. And you did not do anything wrong. This is what we call the sideways situation. It happens when a pad shifts, bunches, folds, or moves away from where you actually need the protection. Awkward? Yes. A personal failure? Absolutely not. Here is the secret. Pads are a bit like stickers. If they are not placed and anchored properly, they can shift, especially when you are tossing and turning in your sleep or jumping on a trampoline like your period protection has just signed a sports contract. So today's play move is the wing it right method. The wing it right method. The wing it right method. This is the play for sleepovers, school days, sports, busy days, and any time you need your pad to stay exactly where you put it. The goal is simple. Center it, anchor it, support it, and choose the right level of coverage for what you are doing. Number 1, center the pad. You need to line it up with the center of your underwear and your body. Not too far forward, not too far back. It must be right down the middle. It will take a bit of practicing, but over time you will get it, because that will give you the best chance of keeping coverage exactly where you need it. Number 2, anchor the wings. For sleepovers, for school, sports, and activities which require a lot of movement, wings can be your best friend. Ensure you fold them firmly around the sides of your underwear and stick them underneath. Think of wings like a little seat belt. You know, they help stop the pad from sliding sideways. Number 3, the snug underwear trick. Loose or baggy underwear gives your pad too much room to wander. So snug briefs or period underwear help hold everything flat and close to your body. Because let's face it, just as much as comfort matters, support also matters. Number 4, the back heavy move. If you are sleeping on your back and you know your flow tends to travel backwards at night, then place the pad slightly further back than you think you need to. And what about for overnight? Longer overnight pads can give you extra coverage while you sleep. This is not about being scared. This is all about being prepared.
I heard my auntie approaching and my heart fell down to my chest. I'm sorry for making a mess, Auntie.
Oh, sweetheart, it is okay. Sheets can be washed. Let's get you sorted first.
Thank you, Auntie. So it turns out I did not need to banish myself from sleepovers forever. I just needed to understand the wings. And the underwear. And maybe not combine a regular pad with trampoline Olympics.
Let's say this clearly. A pod moving does not mean you failed. A leak does not mean you are messy. And needing a different product does not mean you got it wrong. Your body is still teaching you what it needs. Sometimes you need wings. Sometimes you need a longer pod. Sometimes you need period underwear. And sometimes you just need to adjust based on the day, the place, or based on how much you are moving. That is not failure. That is not failure. That is learning.
Thanks, C.O. Knowing I can pause and pivot takes away so much of the pressure. Wait, so there's actually a way to match the right product to the right day?
Exactly. That's why I made the Product Power-Ups Locker printable. You can use it to choose what works for school, sleepovers, sports, heavy flow days, and overnight.
Okay, I definitely need that in my bag.
Download the free Product Power-Ups Locker printable from the link below.
Okay, but what about the sheets? And my pajamas? Because I still have questions. Let's be real. Even when you follow the playbook perfectly, accidents can still happen.
They absolutely do. Which is why in our next mission, we are opening the Stain Slayer protocol. We are learning how to rescue clothes, pajamas, underwear, sheets, and confidence with zero drama and zero shame. So be sure to join us next time.
These and more stories like mine can be found in the Period Playbook. Real stories, tactical hacks, and why you've totally got this.
Exactly. Real stories, tactical hacks, zero shame. You are not weird. You are not a mess. You are learning your body. And now you just have another play from our Period Playbook. And remember, sweeties, learning your body takes time. If you ever feel like you chose the wrong product, you do not have to panic. Find a private space, pause, adjust, and ask for help if you need it. You get to choose what works best for your body, what works best for your flow, your location, and what works best for the time of day. There is no shame, sweethearts. There is no shame in changing the plan. That is what the playbook is for.